Thursday, June 18th, 2026, 5:32 p.m. 89 degrees. We're here in South River, New Jersey, downtown. Just gonna walk around for a little bit. And the weather is so nice. And the South River downtown is like this little strip here, kind of like a little city-ish kind of strip. Not really huge kind of town, but it's kind of like a city, kind of like a city. So we're gonna walk around South River, waiting for this car. Let's go. Let's just stroll around a little bit. Okay, so I figure we'll walk this way a little bit, then walk that way a little bit. Does that sound like a well thought out plan right here? So well thought out. Anyway, yeah, it's a small street, so it's kind of the vibe here in South River. So you got some cool like restaurants and stuff, like a lot of Mexican restaurants down here. Family Dollar deals. You got a Family Dollar spot, check cashing, Beijing Chinese restaurant. Got the Metro cell phone service on the end. Got the Tropical Food Market right here. Little spot for the food. Got a tattoo spot right here. Got the nails. Got the South River Pub. It's one of these places that have been here a long, long time. South River Pub right there. And here's the museum, South River Museum. I've never been in there. I don't know. I don't know what it's like in there, but it's one of those places for the ceremonies during the Memorial Days and things like that. Yeah, this street is very busy, so we got to be careful crossing the street. Let me go up a little bit. Not a lot of foot traffic today. They do have car shows here. It's been a while, but they do close the street for a car show. But it's been a while since I've seen that. I don't know, I haven't seen that in a while, but it was like right here on this street, on the main street. They had a car show. And I think it was Thursdays, actually. Today's Thursday. And it's very windy today. Wow. Super, super windy. Okay, let's see if we can get across here easily or not. I don't know. Not exactly. This is a very busy road. It's hard to get across. Not easy. This car's not gonna let me go either. It might. No. Okay, cool. Thanks. All right. So we got it. All right. Let's go. Let's cross the street. All right. That was nice of the people to let us go. Let me straighten big guy, make sure he's straight, walking straight here, because sometimes he turns to the side a little bit. That's what he does. I have a support thing behind the big guy here, the camera. That's kind of what happens a little bit. I think he turns a little bit because of that. Anyway, let's go. Let's try to keep him straight. Got a Krausers here. The Krausers have been here a long time. Dunkin' Donuts up there. Been here a little while. The Dunkin' Donuts. Quite a few years. Something going on. Smell the laundromat. They got the laundromat on the corner we just passed. Got this spot here, Mary's Express. That's been here a long time too. There was actually a fire. I think it was her spot, and then she moved over to there. It's Mary's Express over there. Been there a long time. Nice lady. Full service salon. Looks like a pretty big salon in there. You got the Metro over there, Metro by T-Mobile. Boom. I guess T-Mobile owns Metro, yeah. And they're building some luxury apartments over here, as you can see. Right there. They got the Thai cuisine over there. Little outdoor dining here. Not a whole lot of outdoor dining in South River. This is really nice, this place. Fugao Minerio. I don't know if I'm saying that correct. It's a barbecue house. Buffet. Okay, there's a buffet in here. Okay, little buffet. Not bad. Not a bad thing right there. Nice little spot. Looks pretty nice in there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Out in the South River. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right, not super easy to get across the street, but we'll get it, Let's go, let's go. It's a rough time getting across the street here. Can I run? I got it. We're gonna run, little big guy. Let's go. We got it. We got it, little big guy. So the sunlight is hitting nice today, nice and warm. The weather's great. On this side of the street too, the sunlight hits better. Thai restaurant right here, Ban Tha, Thai cuisine. Pretty nice spot. Not bad. Got it built up pretty good. Here's Obert Street. This is a big commuter street right here. Wow, very windy. I took the wind guard off of the microphone because I like it loud, or you know, like the sound, so you can hear everything. The wind guard kind of blocks all that, but with the wind, it kind of gives a little bit of a extra noise. I got a little big guy or camera pretty straight right now. I think I figured out a little maneuver here in the bag to keep him straight. I think so. He likes to shimmy around a lot. The big shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy camera. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. He's the shimmy around camera. Yeah, so they got a hair spot over here, Camilo's. This has been here a while too. Hairworks, income tax. They do some income tax. Camilo. There's a restaurant over here too. Let's see. What restaurant is this over here? Let's see. Okay, so this is a barbecue. Got a Roya barbecue right here. Another barbecue spot. I don't think it's a buffet like the other barbecue, the other one we've seen in South River. Buffet during the walks. Okay, so let's go. It's really nice weather today. Wow, this is awesome weather. A few more days till we're officially in summer. June 21st coming. So we're basically there. We're there. I've said it before in videos. Once we hit Memorial Day here in America, we're there, basically. But if you want to see it on paper, I think June 21st. But we're there. It's so summery. It's nice. Nice day. No, not much humidity. I don't feel any humidity. Breezy. So they got a laundromat down there, grocery, Krausers. Right there, there's a specialty stop with flowers, shop and things like that with flowers and stuff. Super awesome. Good old South River. All right, South River in his house. June 2026. Sapoli's got some Sapoli's right here. Sapoli guys. All right, South River. In his house.